What's up YouTube? Big Boy Lats here. Alright guys, na-miss niyo po ba ako? Dahil ngayon lang po ako nakapag-vlog dahil busy po si Director Melvin. Anyway guys, we're back for a new unboxing video. As you can see here, we got a double unboxing. Alright guys, but before we start this video, I would like to thank ABC Julius De Leon for our new sneaker rack. Thank you po. Tignan nyo nga guys, ang ganda. And I would like to say happy birthday to my best friend, Tyler Schwanning Elgan. Happy birthday, Tyler! And I would like to say happy birthday to Judge Emelita Portillo from Family Court Branch 7. Happy birthday po! So let's go! But before we open this box, guys, I would like to say thank you to Tito Grelan. Thank you po, Tito Grelan, for lending his sneaker to us to unbox. Tito Grelan, hype beast ka na! Yay! Alright guys, so let's start with this Nike box. Wow, next naman guys. So this sticker is called the Nike Presto app. So makikita nyo po guys na nandito nakasulat yung Presto at dito po sa ilalim nakasulat ang Nike React. So this is the fusion of the Nike Presto and the midsole of the Nike React. So I'm sure guys na malambot to pag sinuot ng paa. So let's check out this sneaker. The toe box is made of mesh with a layer of perforated neoprene underneath for extra comfort, and it's got a violet Nike swoosh at the center. Moving up, we got this rope lace with violet aglets and this faux suede lace lock. Now onto the middle side, we got this TPU midfoot cage with the Presto logo debossed into it. Next, going on to the lateral midfoot cage, we got this Nike swoosh in violet glued into it. Now, onto the heel area, we got this 3M pull tab and this faux suede heel counter with 5 dots. And lastly, we got this full-length React foam, which gives it a flexible, soft, and bouncy feel. Here is the on-fit look. Sa Boost, ito na lang guys bilhin nyo kasi ito guys super lambot at masarap pang lakad at nakasale ito sa mga ibang outlets kaya sa Subic and Nike and Lex. Ayos! Alright guys, on to the next box. Wow! So this is called the Air Force One. This is actually a gift for my tita Nancy. This is hello po, and this is a triple black Air Force One with metallic gold accents. Napakadaling isuot nito guys at hindi pa dumihin. Panalo! Okay, so let's get a closer look at this sneaker. The upper is made of black leather, including the midsole and everything. But what makes this sneaker pop is the gold accents. First, we have this gold braid here. And second is on the Nike patch at the tongue. Third, we have this Nike swoosh with gold outlines. And lastly, we got this Nike Air logo at the back in gold. Here is the outfit look.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So, I'm sure magugustuhan nito. Hindi, Tita Nancy. Merry Christmas po, Tita Nancy! And I would like to say happy birthday and a belated happy birthday to my daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy! And that's it, guys, for today's video. Please follow me on Instagram on Lance Pineda Vlogs, and please follow me on Facebook and Lance Pineda Vlogs. Alright guys, stay tuned for more because merong secret ang tito ko. Ayun na guys, pag in-unbox yun guys, malalaman nyo na ang pangalan ngayon. Yung makikita nyo po guys sa TV, ang bagong Jordan 1 High Retro. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please leave us a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you po. God bless po. Bye-bye!